Hi, today I want to talk to you about Frogteam.ai. Frogteam.ai is a Visual Studio Code extension that gives you the ability to define a virtual team of LLMs. When you first open Frogteam.ai extension, you get three panels: the project panel, the team config panel, and the prompt library panel. The prompt library comes with 4 prompts that are configured for you to get started. And your team configuration will be empty, but I have pre-populated mine for this video. You can make new prompts and new members and edit the existing prompts however you want. Let's take a look at our team. I have a lead architect defined using GPT-4o. In this version, the lead architect is only able to use GPT-4o, but in future versions will expand that out, as well as being able to have a specific model endpoint. That should be in the next version as well. Moving on, you can see here we have Anna defined on the team as a developer, and she's able to use Anthropic's Claude through AWS Bedrock. Then I have Jesse, another developer, on GPT-4o, and Frank on GPT-4o as a lead engineer. Moving on, you can check out the team lineup, and this is how you can make sure that each of your team members are getting aligned with one of the prompts from the libraries. And then the only way we have to show you what's going on right now is the history. We will have some status indicators in the next version. Let's take a look at the builder. So I've already put in a prompt. This is, the user prompt. The prompt library is a library of system prompts. So for this user prompt, we're basically looking for a simple web page that'll have a ball bouncing on the screen, and we've given a little information. We want specifically to create an index.html, an index.js, and an index.css file. So I'm going to go ahead and hit go. This kicks off the process. And what happens now is, as the lead engineer, Michael is going to come up with assignments for other members of the team. And as work starts to happen, we start to see things showing up in the history. Let's collapse this so we can take a better look at the history as it happens. You can see index.html has been created. You can see here, look, index.html. If we come back, we'll just be patient as the assignments are worked on. So there you go. You can see Anna did some work. When you see the little M here, that means markdown, and you can see Anna actually spit out a report for the work she did. And then we have Jesse doing some work, and now Frank's doing some work, and a couple more files have been created. Doing here. So now we have 3 files created. Hopefully this is all going to work out. Let's see. Looks like things have just finished. So let's take a look at what happened. Let's see if we open this with live server. And what do we get? No. This is a fail. And we're going to go back, actually, and we're going to see if we can fix this on this video. So I can see what went wrong here. Look, index is not in the right directory, and it's looking for these here. So let's go back to the builder. I'm going to just hold on to this prompt for a minute. And I'm going to say at Frank, the index.html file is in the wrong location and the solution is not working. Please correct this condition. All right, let's see what happens. Let's see if they can fix it. Otherwise, I'm going to have to start a whole new video. This is a terrible demo. So, what happened? It's not looking good. It is not. Oh, wait. Looks like you fixed the index file by, okay, I guess we can take that. All right, so now if we go back, we'll finish up what I had originally planned to do, which was to make a modification. I wanted Anna to change the color of the ball in the background. So let's ask for that, and let's see what happens. See if Anna can change the background color and change the ball color. Nope. All right, that's not bad. And how about the ball? Can she do it? Ooh, look at that. Anna came through for us. So there you have it. This is Frogteam.ai, your virtual team of developers. Stay tuned for new features like new models and potentially vector database integration. Thanks for watching today.